Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the affordability calculator on the Zillow application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to your homepage and click on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the Home Loans and Refinancing section, and within this section you can find the Affordability Calculator option, which is the fourth one. So tap on it and now you should indicate on this slide the price or the payment that you can afford home up to, and here you can see the amount here at the top, and you can also indicate your income, your yearly income, then the down payment. As you scroll down you can indicate the monthly debt and the interest rate as well, and you can add advanced measures by tapping on the advanced option where you can indicate the income taxes, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and the HOA dues. So indicate all of these options and you will be able to see the amount at the top of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.